Hey Queen, welcome back to another video. Today we have a very special haul. I got my very first package from Banger Beauty by Mary. We all know and love her as Making It Happen with Mary. Okay, so I got a few things to satisfy my gourmand girl itch, okay? And I'm gonna go over everything with you and share my thoughts. If this sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. This is Beauty on the Budget, and I am Takara. Here we discuss beauty, body care, Bath and Body Works, and so much more. If you are new to this channel, hey, welcome in. It is so good to have you here. You found me for a reason. So before you leave, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. It truly helps my channel. And subscribe by pressing the button below. Also turn on the notification bell so that you can continue to kiki and get the tea with me. All right. And for my continuing subscribers, my queens, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And I enjoy all the times that we spend together. All right, let's get into this haul. All right, so starting off on the packaging, it says, thank you for supporting this mother hustling small business, period. On the back, it says, please handle with love. It's fragile, thank you. Now, this is like super important to me, okay? Because I'm sure none of y'all know, but this channel actually started as the YouTube channel for my small business years ago. Like three years ago, I also had a body care line called Malkia Luxe Beauty, which is why I refer to y'all as my queens, because Malkia in Swahili means queen. And I made body butters, etc. So listen, I know exactly how much work, time, effort, and money goes into making these products. So supporting small business, absolutely. I want Mary to continue doing her big one. I hope that she does nothing but thrive, okay? Yeah, y'all support your girl. I'm gonna include the link to her site. Go on out there, y'all. Purchase something, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. So I do have my invoice here, and it says, you are the heart of my business. And on the back, it says, please leave a review. And of course I will. All right. So here are the scents that I decided to scoop up, y'all. I got 2 of the mist. I believe they're moisturizing body sprays. And then 1 Banger Butter. Okay. So the 2 scents that I decided to get is Shortbread Cookie. Okay. On the back, it says buttery shortbread, whipped vanilla, and a sprinkle of sugar. Hydrate and refresh your skin with this alcohol-free body spray. Spray directly onto the skin for a light, nourishing mist, or rub in for extra moisture. Gentle, non-sticky, and perfect for daily use. Love that. Let's give it a sniff. Ooh, okay then. Came right on out. Oh, that smells just like the shortbread cookies, the ones in a blue tin that they usually have, especially like around Christmas time. It's real buttery with like a hint of sweetness. That's nice. You get that vanilla. And that buttery note, which I love personally. I think that's, I'm here for it. Butter me up, babe. I live in the South, okay? Butter everything, okay? Ooh, I like that. Okay, so that is Shortbread Cookie. All right, y'all. Next, we have a spray that I was super excited about because I missed the original scent. Actually have my next video is going to be a list of scents that I wish I would have been able to get. And this is like top of my list. And it is supposed to be inspired by Wrapped in Vanilla. Yes. Okay. So this one is called Vanilla Embrace. And y'all, I'm too excited about this because all the girls rave about Wrapped in Vanilla. And I'm like, I want it, but I don't want to pay $50 for it. Because on Mercari, some of these people crazy. Some people crazy. Okay, so it says a warm, dreamy blend of creamy vanilla bean, delicate velvet sugar, and airy chantilly creme. Yes. And of course, it's the same message about hydrating, refreshing your skin, alcohol-free. Okay, so let's give this, and y'all look, it's still, I didn't rub it in, but let's rub it in. Okay, it's giving me a little glow. She glowing. Ooh, that'll layer good with my almond croissant scent. Smelling like a bakery. Okay, all right, let's see. Oh, that is such a pretty vanilla. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, I love that. Y'all, if this were Wrapped in Vanilla smell like, then maybe it is worth $50. Nope, I'm just going to keep on supporting Mary. I'm going to keep supporting Mary. I want to say that these are 4-ounce bottles. It's not listed on here. But I want to say that these are 4-ounce bottles, okay? Just so y'all, for reference, okay? Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, wee. Get my shine on. Oh, that is so pretty. Real pretty, soft, whipped vanilla. All right, so I also got one bang of butter, and it is Sweets in Paris. Oh, okay, hold on. It doesn't have the scent notes on this. Oh, she taped it for me too. Thank you. She said, not on my watch. We ain't spilling on my watch. Let me just look up the notes for this one, y'all. Oh, and just so you know, you go to the website, sign up for your notifications, and you get 20% off. I just put, ooh, and she had a restock, y'all. So the pineapple upside down cake is available again. And I heard that that one was just bomb.com.org, but it was sold out when I went to place my order. I also heard that Nashi Nectar is banging. So I might have to make another order. All right, y'all. So I got the Sweets in Paris. Let me find it. Here we go. It says, indulge in the decadence of a Parisian bakery with Sweets in Paris body butter. This luxurious whipped formula combines the mouth-watering aroma of freshly baked treats, sweet blackberry, zesty lemon, and a rich, buttery vanilla. Girl, I know that made your mouth water because it made my mouth water. Okay, so yes, let's smell this. She always say, it smells like good enough to eat, but don't eat it. You know what I'm saying? So let's smell this. I gotta get this tape off, y'all. Bear with me. Okay, so we have a little cap. Oh, okay. Okay, texture. Come through texture. Come through texturization situation. Ooh, you talk about smooth, creamy. Ew. All right, let's see. Let's see what that rub-in looks like. Y'all, this formula, I'm giving kudos, okay? Because It is so whipped that it's almost lotion-esque. It's a little bit thicker than a lotion, but not as thick as like body butters that's like, get on up in there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that smells good. I definitely get that blackberry. Okay. You see it. You see it. Mm-hmm. Oh, I definitely get blackberry. I get a touch of tartness from lemon. Oh, with some butteriness. Oh, that smells really, really good. And these are actually going to layer well together. This, and then top it with that. I mean, what are we doing? This smells delightful. I cannot wait to use. We're going to be putting this on the March tray, and we're going to be using them. So again, we have the Banga Butter Sweets in Paris. This is $12.50. Okay. The Vanilla Embrace. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's lovely. Also $12.50. And Shortbread Cookie. Also $12.50. So for my gourmand queens, you already know what's up. It's time for you to hop on over to Banga Beauty by Mary. Clock that. Buy that. Support that. I know y'all are already following Mary. I already know. Okay? Because I'm a baby in these YouTube streets. Queen Mary over there, she's doing her big one. So follow Mary, support Mary. Okay? Because queens support queens. Queens support queens. All right? That's all for this video. I will see y'all on the next one. Okay? Love you. Bye.